Hi, hello, 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 hello. Now, this time, I'm going to talk, I'm going to have a real talk. We're gonna talk about earnings. And we're gonna talk about being a content creator. Mag-storytelling tayo about, ang storya ko ngayon ay tungkol sa about something about me as a vlogger or sa being a content creator. So, una ko talaga, when I was 79 years old last year, at that was the month of August na inano ako bilang, ni-accept ako as a vlogger. Hindi ko alam yon. I was just having fun when I had my surgery sa knee. So, nandun ako sa room palagi dahil I have to recuperate. Magpapagaling ako sa knee, nag-surgery ako, knee replacement, kaya nagpapagaling ako. At ang ginawa ko, dahil palagi ako nandoon sa kwarto, ginawa ko, ay Facebook ng Facebook, wala akong ibang ginagawa. Malabas yung ano ko, yung asawa ko, ako lang. So in a way, to make it short, ang storytelling ko, ngayon, Facebook ako ng Facebook, naging masaya ako sa binasa kong mga vlogs, mga content creator na mga iba't ibang lahi, most of them are Filipinos. So palagi lang ako follow, nag-share, nag-comment sa kanila. I was enjoying their contents as being a content creator and being a vlogger. So nang marami na ako nag-content, ay bilang may sumulpot na pwede akong maging vlogger. So nag-umpisa ako na as a vlogger. Sabi ko, kaya ito, may bayad kaya ito? Binasa ko yung ibang sabi ng mga ibang mga vlogger or content creator, ay, thank you, ay, ito yung mga nila, resulta ng kanilang pagiging content creator. Mahusay sila mag-content creator. I know some people there, Filipinos, they are receiving a lot of big earnings as a content creator. So, continue as a vlogger nang biglang sabi noon nung August ata yun, officially vlogger na rin ako. Nako, so officially Agosto ata yun, that was August, dahil inupiran ako mga almost June. So basa ng kanilang mga contents, kanilang vlogs, iba-ibang vlogs, hanggang sa natuto akong mag-vlog, nag-comments, at saka yung mesa ko, ang dami-dami papel, like I have to make captions, I have to make brainstorming, so maraming kalat, so naging challenge ko yun. At pagkatapos, wala akong kaalam-alam, yun pala, hindi ako high-tech I belong to old school. So, hindi ako marunong kung paano pag high-tech na ganito. So, I need somebody else. And I know some people who are younger than myself. Sabi ko, paano ba ito? Paano ito? Hindi ko pa alam yung about tutorial, na mayroon palang tutorial dito at being a content creator or sa vlogger, you have to join or to attend to a tutorial dyan lang sa Facebook din. So wala akong alam-alam. Mayroong mga may suggestion na have this and have this, you have to follow the rules and regulation, the policies of the community. And so, to make the story short, hindi pa ako nagkaka-earning dahil sabi doon sa Facebook, you will earn, depende sa mga contents mo kung na qualified as yung may mga policy dito sa policy sila na dapat sundin. So dahil bago pa ako, hindi pa ako, dahil I was 80 years old na, I was 79 years old last year, so hindi ko pa alam. At saka pag nabasa ko yung ibang mga mahaba na mga policies nila, masakit ang mata ko, ini-ignore ko yan. So mayroon palang mga policies na dapat sundin, na ganyan, ito ay hindi mo dapat gawin, ito ay gawin mo. Mayroon sila, Facebook is so nice that they have to consider all the rules and policies as a human being. So, nagkataong, very excited ako. Inano ko yun, ina-upload ko yung mga sayaw-sayaw ng mga senior citizens, senior citizen, mga seniors. Ina-upload ko. At mga music, hindi ko pala alam. Yung pala mga music na inano ko ginamit ay hindi pala yun. There is such thing as copyright. So sabi ko, nabasa ko, copyrighted. So sabi ko, ano ba ito? So binasa ko ito. So binasa ko unti-unti yung talagang mga policies and regulation. Sabi ko, ang dami ko palang hindi alam. Ito pala mga policy. So parang yung mga kaibigan ko, sabi niya, Inesita, anong gawin ko? No, dahil matakot ako. Baka kasi music, kapag pupunta yung mga senior doon sa mga may music, sayo-sayo kami, doon sa mga may banda, sayo-sayaw. Marami pala yung ginamit ko na music, copyrighted. So now I was learning that hindi dapat ito gagawin, hindi ito dapat gagawin, at ito ang gagawin o gagawin mo para lang you will be talagang mabuting content creator. It's very hard to be a content creator. You know what? You can be a producer, you can be an artist. Ikaw nagpo-produce kung anong gusto mo. Ito nag-produce ko, tingnan mo. Backup ko. Producer ka, ikaw ang magiging actor, sasabihin na mag-aka ng ganito, maging actor ka, actress, magiging editor ka, i-edit mo yung mga caption mo, i-edit mo, at saka i-director ka pa, gawin mo ito, director ka pa, tapos location manager kung saan ka. So it's not easy, but I'm really having fun with my vlogging and as a content creator. I like that, and it helps my mind, develop my mental ability, capabilities, dahil matanda na ako, 80 years old, kailangan ipa-practice, i-exercise ko yung mga ulo ko. But I have to learn more. I should accept that I have to learn more, especially yung may mga gadget, yung mga I'm very glad that my daughter bought me some kind of, that parang kamera na may ilaw na ginamit ko ngayon. Pero ikaw magiging editor, maging maging director ka, maging producer ka, at iba pa, yung mga location manager pa, at artist pa, dahil pinapulbos-pulbos ko. Artist. Okay, that's our storytelling, real talk for this time, okay? And tomorrow, watch, because I have another real talk tomorrow. And I have a real challenge tomorrow that I'm going to tell you. Okay, what's okay for tomorrow? Thank you for watching!